I've tried to do a few other things in life and I revert right back to food. And it's been 45 years of doing this. Got my start in Minneapolis at a Jewish restaurant and deli. Going to psychology in University of Minnesota, I decided, let's do something more fun. So I went to culinary school at MTI in Minneapolis. When we're in professions, a lot of times we stop learning after we get it. Food is a constant learning. You never stop learning. And I love it because there's so many things to do with it. I've owned a fast food restaurant. I've worked in country clubs, private clubs, catered, working in grocery stores, working in their delis, writing their recipes, making sure the delis and catering services running, working in bakeries, from one extreme to fast food service to, the full elegant 4-star, 5-star plus service. I've done it all on that. Working on the Dish magazine, we try to keep up with trends and then we try to create some fun recipes that is not so involved, so you can go from entry level to experienced kitchen staff to create beautiful plates. So that's fun also. And that's one of the things we like to look for is being able to make that whole 4 walls work together. It's the whole rounding of the restaurant or food service, healthcare, whatever. We're more Monday through Friday, but if you have a customer calling you at 7 o'clock at night, grab that phone because it's something that you could help them with in a matter of 5 minutes where they're ripping their hair out. Why do I stay here? I've been here 15 years. Martin Brothers is a family. We support each other. They give our team the opportunity to be creative and to work with a lot of different customers. So one day I can be in the healthcare arena. Next day I can be working with a hospital. Next day I can be working with a 4-star restaurant. So some days you're traveling and you're visiting, making stops, and some days you're at one place all day long, and maybe 2 days, helping them become more successful. So that's part of our team and what we do.